In this video, we will learn how to convert an image into a keychain using the Image to Keychain feature in MakerLab and prepare it for 3D printing. To begin, go to MakerWorld. Then click MakerLab in the top menu. Scroll down and select Image to Keychain. Click Create from Blank to start your project. Click Browse File to upload the image or drag and drop it. After importing the image, you will see the cropping options. For this tutorial, we shall choose Free. Next, choose whether to keep or remove the background. Enabling this option retains the background, while disabling it removes it. Keep the other settings at their defaults, or adjust them if necessary. Just below the image, you have an option to zoom in and out. You can do this by moving the slider left or right. Once you are done, click Confirm. If you are not satisfied with the results, click Try Again to repeat the process. Otherwise, click Confirm. In the new window that appears, you will see how the software has matched the colors in the image and assigned the numbers. You can match the colors manually in the next step. Click Confirm to proceed. This will take you to the software's main interface. You can rename your project by clicking on the Keychain draft, then typing the name of your project. In the right panel, you will see the filament color option, which contains all the colors in the design. In our case, there are 4, each assigned a number. If you want to change the color of a specific section, click on its color number. Then, select your preferred color. Alternatively, you can select a color block in the image and change its color, and even thickness if needed. If you want to match the colors of the sections, click the number in the Color Matching section and choose the color number you want to match. To demonstrate this, we will match the blue colors, 3 and 4, so they become a single blue color. To do this, select the blue assigned number 4 and match it with the blue in number 3. Then, delete color number 4. If there is a color you want to remove that is not auto-matched, simply click it, then click the delete icon. Then, auto-match it with your preferred color. Next, click Plate and Thickness. Select the plate type. For this tutorial, we will select the default. Set the thickness. We will retain it as 1 in this tutorial. If you are not sure of the thickness, you can preview it by clicking the Expand button in the bottom right section to see how it will be affected when you change the thickness. Check the Face Down mode option so the model is printed face down. Next, we will add a hook attachment to the model by checking the attachment box and selecting Hook. We shall then move it to the location we want in the model. You can also change its color. When you are satisfied with the settings, export the design. To do this, click Download. Choose the nozzle type. In our case, we will select 0.4 mm. Then, click the small down arrow and choose Download 3MF. The next step is to import the model to Bambu Studio, Slice, and 3D Print. To do this, open Bambu Studio, then go to File, then Import. Select the printer, build plate type, and then sync the printer information. Confirm that the filament and color you selected match. If everything looks good, click Slice Plate. After slicing, you will see various details like printing time and filament usage. You can preview how the design will be printed using the sliders on the right and bottom. Next, click Print Plate to send the design for 3D printing. Confirm the details, then click Send. Congratulations! You have now learned how to convert images to keychains in MakerLab.